Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. In this video, we'll verify our account on the COINZIX platform. We will go up to our account and press the verification button. Today, we're going to verify the account for level 1. Here, it tells us everything we need to know for verification. To start verification, we need to press this button. Here, we have to enter all our personal data. After we have filled in all the necessary data, we have to press the next button. Now choose your ID document. At the moment we have chosen an ID card. Now we will upload a picture with it. We wait and then press next. Next we will have to do a 3D scan. Press start. We are going to rotate our head. Here we will see again all the data we have written. Then we will press next. We wait for the next criteria to be checked and our verification is ready. Thank you very much for your attention, and in the next tutorial we will discuss how we can deposit euros on the COINZIX platform.